Hello lovers of Easy Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to style your hair to look like this. So first I'm going to recommend the pins you're supposed to use. These are cushion pins, these are T-pins. We are not going to be using none of them. Instead we are going to be using the office pins, which are the best and most suitable for securing our lace frontals. So these pins are really good, guys. They're not going to rip out your frontals, and they're actually very secure as well compared to the T-pins and the rest. You could always use your T-pins on the rest of your wig, maybe to secure the back and so on and so forth. But when it comes to securing your lace, take it from me, use office pins to prevent stories that touch. So let's get into the styling. First of all, we are just going to slick back everything to see what we're working with. So I applied my hair wax and then I applied my heat protector just on the roots of the hair where I'm going to be using my hot comb. Then I use my hot comb to slick the hair back. So I believe the video is easy to follow. You can just follow the steps as I'm doing on your screen. So just make sure you follow each and every step to get the best results. So yeah, so now that we're done with that, we are going to go with our middle part. So I'm going to show you a little tip on how to do the zigzag middle part. We're going to begin with a straight line, and I'm very sorry, when recording this I didn't think I should do a detailed tutorial on it, but I'm going to do one to show you how to do a zigzag middle part. So like I said, you're going to start with a center part, a straight line, and you're just going to take little rectangular chunks of hair from one section and send to the other. So like I said, I'm going to do a more detailed tutorial on how to do this, because I noticed I didn't really detail it as much as possible on this video, and you should have something like this, which I'm still going to work on, by the way. So after working on my middle part, I went in with my Gorilla Glue. Sorry about that. So guys, this wig was for a client. So since I'll be sending this wig out and it's a glueless wig, I use Gorilla Glue, which is more long, it lasts longer. So I use Gorilla Glue to style this frontal wig because it's going to last longer. So if you're doing this for your wig that you're going to wear at home, or maybe you're not going to use it for a very long time and you're going to want to change the style, you may not want to use Gorilla Glue, because guys, when I tell you that glue, it's so strong. Like, I 100% recommend it. So since I'm sending the wig out to a client, I was using Gorilla Glue so that she can rock her hair for a very long period of time before she's going to need to restyle her glueless wig to keep working. So yeah, so I just decided to let that out there. So if in case you are not going to be using your wig for a very long time and you don't need something that is maybe semi-permanent or it's going to take a while, I just need something on the go, maybe for a day or a week or so, I'm going to recommend alternative. You can use a stylist hairspray. You can also use got2b glue, or you can use your spritz to apply on your hair, excluding the Gorilla Glue. So you could always use that as a replacement. So guys, since this is a glueless wig I'm going to be sending out, I wanted it to last as long as possible. So after going in with my Gorilla Glue, I went in with my got2b spray just to hold everything and keep it in place. Then I went in with my dryer to kind of try it out and make sure it's no longer sticky, so that I could do the pigtails. So that's basically it. So another recommendation for my dryer, normally I'll use my dryer on cool to medium. Most at times I use my dryer on cool. When blow drying, when styling out my hair, it's really rare for me to use my dryer on hot. Like, there are not so many things that I do that requires me to use my dryer on hot air. So I think this is really good because it prevents heat damage from your hair. You know, your hair is really subject to a lot of heat, because most at times we are going to do heat coils, even though in this particular video I didn't do it. So it's always good to minimize heat usage like you can see I'm using my hot comb. So imagine using my hot comb, using all these things on this hair, and then I'm going in with hot air to blow dry the hair. So it's just going to be a lot for the hair. So in order to make your hair last longer and stay healthy, I'll apply that. I will suggest that you reduce heat as much as you can. For instance, this hair that I'm working on, I did a heatless coils for the bouncy, and I'm telling you guys, you're going to have to check out the part 2 of this video. It's so epic, it's so beautiful. So you could literally use heatless coils to achieve so many coils at once, and this is going to prevent your hair from breaking and just give your hair overall very good health. So yeah, I 100% recommend always going heatless from time to time, so that you can save your hair a lot of stress and all of that. So yeah guys, I think that's it. So I'm done with one side, so I'm going with the next side, and I'm just going to basically repeat the same process like I did on the one side. So in case you have any questions, make sure you let me know in the comment section. I'm more than willing and very happy to help and assist and guide you in case you have any difficulties or whatsoever. So yeah, so when you're done with your 2 pigtails, just make sure you secure them with an elastic band. You could always use something a little bit stronger depending on your preference, but this works for me. So after securing them, I'm going to secure this again, but for the meantime I'm going to use my Got2b glue because I noticed that they were not that as secured as I wanted them to be. So I have to slick the hair back again so that I can redo the pigtail and make it this time more secured. So after applying my Got2b spray, I'm going to use my brush to slick the hair down while using my blow dryer to dry the hair as I go forward. So that is basically it. So guys, make sure you check out the part 2 of this video, because I'm going to be showing you how to achieve heatless coils. Very easy steps to follow, and you literally need just 2 products guys. 2 products, I kid you not, literally you just need 2 products. So guys, if you notice the way I style these edges, my client didn't want me chopping off her hair, so I was like, of course I can do that. So that's why you didn't see me cut it or do anything, but it still came out so beautiful as you can see. So guys, I'm done with my frontal styling, and now I'm going to go into the coiling part. Make sure you check out part 2. Bye.